Thick fog blankets the village of Charfield, England. A night mail train speeds through the darkness. Then the driver sees a faint light ahead. A motionless train sits on the tracks. He slams the brakes, but it's too late. Collision. Explosion. Flames shoot into the sky. 16 people die that night. Among them, 2 unknown children. A torn school uniform, socks marked CSS, a Latin badge. But no one comes to claim them. Runaways. Illegally adopted children. Or did someone erase their existence on purpose? Then, 22 years later, every year on the same day, a woman in a black dress visits their grave. She stands in silence, sobbing, leaving flowers, then vanishes. Who was she? Their mother, or the only soul left who remembered them? A century has passed, but the 2 children remain nameless forever.